So first open any browsers like Google, and the Google search box to type Moto book 50 drivers, and then first link, this is officially motorola.com. Right click to open and go to this website. Okay, now, so this is type of driver, this is software, this is vendor and pack. We can see, slow down, find out the camera. This is a camera driver. This is also, and then click to this link. After that it will start downloading. Now you can see this is your model number. Click on this, click this location. After that it will open. Just right click to run as administrator, then next, yes, select your languages, then accept the agree, then next. So there are two method to install. First extract only, second install directly. So extract and after that install. So you can install directly, then next, select it, then next. Now you can see extracting files, and after that it will install. So you can see this driver is successfully installed. Then click OK and then finish it. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.